Sear those chicken legs. Oh yeah. You want to get a nice char on there because you're going to turn it down low and deglaze the pan and let it cook the rest of the way. Oh yeah. Add the peppers and mushrooms back in. This is my son Jameson. Say hi, Jameson.
Hi.
Alright guys, here is the final product. Braised chicken leg. With that salt, pepper, Mrs. Dash is good. Then you got your, over top of some rice with your tomato and pepper, corn, succotash. Looks delicious. Hey JAMO, does it look delicious?
Yes.
Good job, buddy. Hope you like this short little cooking video. Follow me on YouTube, Toast Fitness and Food. Like, subscribe. Go to my Instagram, Toastest was the mostest one. And then check out my Facebook page, Toast Fitness and Food. Alright, stay toasty, friends. Say Toast Fitness and Food. Good job, buddy. High five. Okay, that counts.